In Ahmed, on Bali Island, not far from Mount Agung, during the black sand dives, we can find many ghost pipefish. Ghost pipefish are part of the Solenostomus species. In this family, you have the ghost pipe, the pipefish, and the seahorses. The ghost pipefish are masters of disguise. They hide in crinoids, seagrass, as well as sponges and algae. The female hold the eggs in their pelvic fin. When they hatch, the babies have a long period of floating as plankton. When they reach the normal size, they settle onto the reef. Juveniles are often transparent. They always live head down and move with the current. The harlequin ghost pipefish is the most common one. They feed on small crabs and shrimps. Rough snout come in many colors. The robust is normally beige, but can go from beige to brown and black. They often live in pairs. The female is bigger than the male. Rough snoots have a weedy appendage under the snoot. Halimeda live on Halimeda leaves. The velvet can be white, pink, red. They are seasonal and present only a few months a year. Ask your dive guide when you can see them. Thanks for watching this video all the way to the end. It always makes me super happy. If you want to see more small things, you may watch the video 10 Fun Facts Skeleton Shrimp. And if you like bigger animals, you can check Big Animals, Indonesia, Philippines 4K. Don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button to be notified when new videos come out. Bye bye, see you next time!